So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to insert a footnote into a document here on Microsoft Word. So the first thing you have to do is open up the Microsoft Word document, or a document once that is done. In the top left where the Home tab is selected, simply just scroll a little bit to the right until you come across the tab that says References. Once you're done there, press on that. Now to add a footnote, if I were just to say, for example, Notes number one, just like that. To add a footnote, it's fairly straightforward. Just go to this top bar under references where it says insert footnote right here, AB with the one above it, press on that. And now at the bottom, as you can tell, there's a little footnote sign right here, the number one. At the bottom, you can say footnote number one, or whatever the case may be there. So super simple, super straightforward, but this is how to insert or how to add a footnote into a document here on Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.